Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the legendary Michael Jackson. Let's get started. Michael Jackson grew up in Gary, Indiana and started singing with his brothers in the Jackson 5. At 6 years old, with his incredible voice and charisma, the group became famous. Later, Michael went solo, working hard to create iconic hits like Thriller and Billie Jean, making him the king of pop. He revolutionized music with his dance move, music videos, and unforgettable performances. Though he faced challenges, his dedication and passion left a legacy that inspires millions. So Michael Jackson's hard work and passion led him to being the famous pop artist. That's all guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.